West Africa, many households suffer from a double challenge. They are weakened by food and nutrition crises and cannot recover their livelihoods after the crises. Most countries have difficulties in managing this situation effectively due to lack of significant experience in caring for vulnerable groups. Though some initiatives exist, they lack coordination and complementarity, which causes poor resilience of vulnerable groups to the various shocks they face. To address the issue, the ECOWAS Commission developed in 2012 the Regional Programme to Support National Social Safety Nets in West Africa. Social safety nets are cash or in-kind social assistance programs that provide free service packages. They contribute to reducing inequalities through the redistribution of wealth to the most vulnerable, targeting specifically marginalized agricultural producers, agro-pastoralists, or livestock breeders whose livestock is at risk, and poor working households, especially children, pregnant women, and nursing mothers. The objective of the programme is to promote, on the one hand, the testing of social safety net instruments as part of national crises prevention and management mechanisms, and to establish, on the other hand, regional standards for the design and implementation of social safety net programmes, as well as an incentive system for their use.
Les projets pilotes ont été définis pour, dans un premier temps, mieux comprendre même.
The pilot projects have been designed, first of all, to identify the problematic of social security nets in the most affected zones like conflict areas or where people are facing some major difficulties. Vulnerable children who are facing malnutrition problems in school environments are also targeted. As soon as we have the global quantitative and qualitative results of the impact of these pilot programs in terms of number, we will use them to implement larger regional programs and shared outputs within member states.
Nous allons les utiliser donc comme modèle pour développer de plus gros programmes au niveau régional, mais aussi partager les connaissances avec les pays.
Besides, the regional programme to support national social safety nets builds the capacity of national and regional public institutions to design, coordinate, pilot, implement and evaluate social safety net and social protection policies and programs. Over the past 6 years, the Regional Support Programme for National Social Safety Nets in West Africa, implemented by the ECOWAS Commission with the support of its technical and financial partners, specifically the €5 million grant from the Spanish cooperation, has made it possible, among other actions, to build the capacities of member states on the engineering and coordination of social safety net instruments. The €5 million grant has also allowed the regional programme to support national social safety nets in West Africa to fund 19 field pilot projects on various thematic issues across the 15 member states of ECOWAS. Going forward, the ECOWAS Commission will further invest in capacity building of stakeholders at national and decentralised levels to facilitate the ownership of the various lessons learned, build solid and sustainable programmes, and ensure scaling up of good practices.